Everybody, it's Rick Silva. Hey, I wanted to just shoot a quick video and take a look at my new lighting with my microphone and my setup in my little dining room here. So if you're ever curious about what kind of microphone YouTubers and bloggers and content creators use, it's the Blue Yeti, and the light is called UBeesize, UBeesize, and I'll put in links. But what I wanted to show you first is this is the light with the white color, and I'm looking straight ahead and the light's up here above me aiming down. This is with the white color, and I'm going to hit the button, and this is with more of a blue hue, which for me, I don't like it, but it offers it. And here is with the kind of the brownish hue, and I think this is my favorite, but I'm also doing this because I want to see the different lighting. So again, white, blue, and brown. And below I'll post pictures of my setup with my light, my microphone, and my laptop, kind of how it looks here. So this is where I do most of my webinar training. So anyway, quick video. Take care. See you soon. Bye.